Hey everyone, how's it going? I just got done watching a video of Ford Boss me, and he's at the gym on the treadmill, and I respect that. The man's trying to prove himself. I spent some time in a electric scooter right there, and after I broke my back and shattered my right ankle, I put a lot of weight on, about 450 pounds, and that's where I was at. And I couldn't move barely. I couldn't. And I decided about a year and a half ago, whatever it was, to start taking steps to improve myself, and I did. And I went from being in this scooter, in this garage, watching people work on cars that I should be working on, or watching people go down back and take care of my animals where I couldn't. And I started pushing myself. And every day I pushed myself a little more, a little more, a little more, and just got to trying to do more. Now today, I'm down to a weight that I haven't been in a long time, and I mean a long time. I split wood with an axe. I work on cars. My feet hit the floor at 4 a.m. There's times where I don't go back to bed until midnight. Do I still have the back problems? Absolutely, I do. Are they getting any better? Sometimes not. But don't give up, people. I mean, little steps will get you a bigger step. Just push forward with it. That's all you can do is push forward. Don't think you can't do it. My shorts don't fit me no more. And I bought these shorts probably like 2 months ago, and now I go buy more. But just keep doing it, folks. Life's too short. Push forward, man. Later.